Okay. I can kind of turn it with my finger almost, but it's definitely tight. It's sliding it in and out. It's definitely got a drag on it. Okay, so I think the problem is we're binding on the shaft, on the bushing in there is our problem. It's definitely hard to rotate it. Yeah. So let's try our old tap method and see if we can fix some of this drag. Everybody's favorite tool, brass punch and a hammer. The problem is now I rotated it so far I can't get to it. Oh, that frees up instantly. Big time difference. Way free now. Big time. Still free. Tight spot in it though, but it moves right there. And that makes it tight. Yeah. It did not loosen up. There we go. Right there's the tight spot. Key is straight down. That's our tight spot. Big time. Yep, same spot is tight. It is not changing how it is. So, oh, that helped. Oh yeah. That did it. Still turned it, but it got tight. Instantly freed up. So the problem is the oil pump hole through the pump and through the case. There's dowels in there that kind of hold it, and they ain't happy. It's like this. When I beat on the hammer, it knocks it straight, and I can rotate the pump. Nice and free. Okay, so now I'm going to put it all back together and see if that works by doing the same thing. So precision adjustment tool is what makes it work. See? Some people call me a hammer mechanic. You're the right. And I know how to use it. Okay, so now we got a system. Okay. There it goes. Okay. Chance of that key still being in there. None. There it is. That was hopeful thinking there. We knew that wasn't going to happen. There's a little dinky ass key. Again. Okay, I'm going to put the gear that goes in there right here. This gear is really shiny, like it's dragging on it. I can see the surface marks on it. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust this gear. Or sanding on it. So I don't recall the gear being real shiny like this. It was shiny on a couple of teeth, but see, all the teeth are shiny now. So, a little bit of sanding. Okay. Look, making a mess. Take our sandpaper, take our gear. Feels really smooth, which is good. Yeah, that has more roughness to it. Now, as little as dragging, all I gotta do is take off the high spots is all I really need to do, which is what I just did. So I just knocked down the high spots. We should be good. All right, I'll be back. Go clean this all up.